Salesforce integration with ERP systems. Salesforce is a powerful customer relationship management (CRM) platform that helps businesses manage their relationships and interactions with customers. On the other hand, enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems are software solutions that help organizations manage their core business processes, such as finance, HR, and supply chain management. Benefits of Salesforce integration with ERP systems. Enhanced data synchronization. Integrating Salesforce with ERP systems ensures that all departments have access to the most up-to-date information, leading to improved decision-making and customer service. Improved reporting capabilities. By combining data from Salesforce and ERP systems, businesses can generate comprehensive reports and analytics to gain insights into their performance and trends. Streamlined business processes. Integration eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors, allowing teams to focus on more strategic tasks. Increased efficiency and productivity. With automated processes and seamless data flow, employees can work more efficiently and collaborate effectively across departments. Successful Salesforce ERP integration examples. Define clear objectives. Before initiating the integration process, clearly outline your goals and objectives to ensure that the integration meets your business needs. Choose the right integration software. Select a reputable integration software that is compatible with both Salesforce and your ERP system to ensure a smooth implementation. Engage stakeholders. Involve key stakeholders from different departments in the integration process to ensure that their needs are met and to promote buy-in across the organization. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce integration with ERP systems offers numerous benefits for businesses looking to streamline their operations and improve productivity.